So hello everyone, my name is Livia and I'm going to presenting my team's presentation for today. Our name is Synaptics and our members are mostly first year bachelor students of cognitive science and artificial intelligence, but we also have two master students with us. So the project we're working on is called MindMeals, and I would like to tell you more about it. So why MindMeals? How we came up with this idea. So we started and we wanted to imagine a world where we don't even have to think about what we want to eat, but rather AI do it for us. Because I'm sure you all can relate to the situation and imagine the feeling when you really crave some specific food that will calm your hunger, but you can't quite name what food is that. But rather than this fun and commercial application, we also thought of in the future that research could use it to focus on the neural basis of food preference, and dietitians, for example, can utilize the data to create tailor-made meal plans. We would also like to propose that this application would be used to help patients with disabilities or some disorders for them to choose what they want to eat without having to communicate it verbally from like various different reasons. And this is a short roadmap through our process. The motto that was accompanying us from the beginning is think outside the fridge about things inside your fridge. So we decided to use the g.tec technology for this project. And through it, we would choose food ingredients from the dataset that we created ourselves. Then g.tec will give us the ranking, and the top 5 ingredients from this ranking would be uploaded to ChatGPT. From then, ChatGPT would generate recipes that include these products. And then those recipes would be put into the DALI, and DALI would create images based on those proper meals. And then again, we kind of repeat the process. So we put now nearly fresh created pictures of the recipes that may not even existed before and put it again into the g.tec, and we rank it like our subject put on the cap and let their brain waves decide which food do they crave. And that's how we would come up with the perfect personalized recipe. And I would like you to watch how our workflow look like by watching this video. It doesn't have a sound, but it has subtitles. And I'll also walk you through it. So this is, it was a calibration at first. Then we see how we collect the data. And this is the DALI created picture, and next to it, the ChatGPT generated recipe. So that's the pictures from our outcome. First, we see the data set already ranked. Next to it, we have the DALI prompt. You can also have a closer look on the recipe itself. Here, ChatGPT show us 2 different variants. And at the bottom, we have the final ranking of the DALI generated pictures when our subjects choose the chickpea nuggets as their favorite dish. As a reflection, we come to the realization that working on food-related projects makes you really hungry. So we were snacking the whole time. But what's most important, we gained valuable new skills, mostly regarding EEG systems. The collaboration in our team was very smooth, and we have lots of fun. And we learned that sometimes tool simplicity doesn't simplify your work. So we had some problems with converting the data from the ranking to ChatGPT, but as I was working on this presentation this morning, two of our teammates managed to make it all smooth and integrant, and they actually implement the Blondie check completely on their own, and it's running and it's working. It's just not on the presentation. So yeah, they even inspired us and gave us fresh ideas for our future BCI journey.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. This is just like our pictures of us working.
Very cool. Angelika, any questions for the team?
Yeah, it's very nice work. Actually, it fits very nicely into the food recommender literature. And I was actually wondering how or whether you thought about, let's say, bringing different kind of additional features together, let's say healthiness, for example, ecological sustainability of food and so on, whether you could mix this up, you know, in this food recommendation problem.
We thought that if the data set is completely personalized and we can put different food to use, it can fit different dietitian restrictions, whether it's vegetarian or on more sustainable mode. Or we can even just create a data set of things that we already have, like leftovers at our home, that will help us with creative recipes. And will also stop the zero waste. I'm not sure this answered your question.
Yeah. Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you very much again. Very nice.